Hi everyone, welcome to Scientist. Today, with my family, I'm in the Albida Park, one of the huge park in Qatar. We came for the green exercise. So you will be thinking, what is now this green exercise? Green exercise is nothing but blending the nature with your physical activity. I'm sure you all are doing indoor exercises to make yourself physically fit. But why can't you try with the nature? It have two benefits, that is, it will nourish you with the mental health as well as with the physical health. So let's have a look around. How the people are carrying out with their natural blended exercises, that is the green exercises, including my family. And let's come back.
Green exercise, which is considered any physical activity that takes place outside, has been shown to improve both physical and mental health. Activities can be intentional, such as visiting a neighborhood garden or riding bike, walking in the park, gardening, cycling, walking, horse riding, flying a kite, walking the dog, or participating in a neighborhood project like planting the flowers. It turns out that exercising in the presence of nature can have health benefits beyond getting your blood pumping. Studies shows that exercising in the natural environment can have positive effect on self-esteem and improve your mood, an effect in especially noticed in people with mental illness like depression and anxiety. 5 minutes exercise in the countryside boosts the mental health, reported by the Daily Telegraph. It said that study has found that exercising in the wilderness area or near water tended to have the biggest impact on mental state, and that the greatest health changes were seen in the young and mentally ill. Walking, gardening, cycling, fishing, boating, horse riding, and farming can all have a direct impact on the stress hormone cortisol. Interacting with the nature on a daily basis has been shown improved mental health by reducing the level of stress, anxiety, and even improving the symptoms of depression. Children who are exposed to scenes of nature while exercising are more likely to experience the health enhancing effect after activity, according to a study. The researchers found that after the green exercise, the children's post activity blood pressure was significantly lower than it was without the simulated forest environment, indicating that the nature scenes promoted positive health effect. Nature by itself is good for restoring your focus, helping you relax, improving cognitive function, and making you happy. Green exercise makes you feel better than the same exercise performed indoor. Take some of your exercise outside, and it may improve your exercise frequency, enjoyment, and adherence. Switch out one of your indoor workouts this week for some outdoor activity. Or, if you are growing bored of your exercise routine, give yourself the freedom to engage in more playful, varied, healthy movement out in nature. Paying more attention to the nature around you is a massive stepping stone towards rebuilding your connectedness to nature. You may have to force yourself to go outside at first, but once it's become a part of your life, you won't even have to think about trying to include nature time into your life. It will be automatic. Luckily for us, all kind of green exercise will rapidly improve self-esteem and negative moods. In fact, within the first 5 minutes of participating in green exercise, we experience the greatest improvement in our mood and self-esteem. These changes tends to last for about 2 to 4 hours following the exercise, and although short-lived, can result in engaging in healthier behavior, more social interaction, and increased productivity. Are you interested in green exercise? Or you may be wondering how to get started? Or what should you be doing and for how long to reap at all the benefit? Fortunately, it appears as though green exercise improves mental health regardless of duration, intensity, and location. It is suggested that doing regular, short duration physical activity in nature could provide immediate mental health improvement, especially in those that are sedentary or mentally unwell. Physical activity outdoors and contact with nature can help to protect against future stresses and aid the mental concentration. It's important to stimulate positive interest in the natural world and encourage outdoor activity at a younger age. Doing so can promote a healthier lifestyle for a lifetime. Exposure to natural sunlight combined with the physical activity is thought to increase the serotonin level in our body, which can improve the feelings of well-being and happiness. Serotonin is a mood-enhancing chemical, and its deficiency has been linked to depression, anxiety, fatigue, and impaired cognitive function. As our world becomes busier, we typically experience more stress and have less time available for the physical activity. Dedicating time each week to exercising outdoor will alleviate the stress on busy days and actually improve mental well-being and self-esteem, and may even help fight depression. Studies reveals that those who incorporate outdoor activities into their fitness regimen have better adherence to their exercise programs. Outdoor training and indoor exercise are both important to overall health and wellness. The key is to find a balance between the two and maximize the benefits that both have to offer.
So I hope you all enjoyed this. So you all should try the green exercise at least once in a week with your family or friends. I know maybe the climate or your busy schedule won't let you do that, but still I will encourage you to do it because it adds lots to your mental health, not only yours, your kids as well. So stay tuned with Challenges. Thank you so much for watching. So I'll come back with the next video. Please add your comments in my comment box if you are not subscribed.